I'm going to show you how to put the bootlace lug on. You can see a bootlace lug here and the ring lug, insulated ring lug. Okay, so I get my piece of cable, earth, and put it over the strands. Now once you see the strands on the end of the bootlace, you can get the crimper and crimp it. There's crimper, as you can see here, I've got it in there. I'm going to press down on the crimper. Done. There you go. The cable cannot come out. Now for the ring lug, put it in there. Same thing with the strands of the copper. Now I'm going to get my crimper, put it in there and crimp it. Might need 2 hands for this as well. Done. And there you have it. Tight, it won't come off. Now it's a good idea if you are going to be doing lots of these bootlace or ring lug connections to have a packet of ring lugs and a packet of bootlaces. Yeah, and what I used to do when I was doing it is have a little collection pre-made up of ring lug connections. This is 0.75 cable, so you have it pre-made up before you do any motor connections or do your connections. That way you don't have to constantly go back and forth and cut the cable and make the connection. Have it pre-made like this, and then you can keep on going. With the packet of lugs, yeah, it is always good to have 2 or 3 packets. They come in packets of 100, so always have at least 2 packets with you while you're doing it. That way you're not going to run out too fast. And okay, so I got it, one that is tied up, screwed down in a RCBA. That one come out, it's tied out, so, which is good. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please press the like down the bottom, or subscribe button. Thank you.